Hello, kamatuklas! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. This will be the last part of the graphical representation of organizing data, which is constructing ogive. That is like this. So let's begin. An ogive is a line graph with the class boundaries as the bases and the height as the less than cumulative frequency. So the meaning of this is less than cumulative frequency for the less than ogive and greater than cumulative frequency for the greater ogive. So this is what we are about to concentrate with this presentation. So let's begin knowing about the different steps in constructing ogive. The first step is to draw the x and y axis. Label the x-axis with the upper class boundary. Hence, getting the class boundaries is very important because that will represent the x-axis. Use an appropriate scale for the y-axis. So that's depend on our cumulative frequency. The second step is plot the cumulative frequency at its upper class boundary. So later on, we are about to show how we are going to plot that. And the last is connect the points with lines. So let's start giving this frequency distribution. Consider this frequency distribution. So this will be the class interval. So that is the class 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, and so on. So this will be our class interval. At this part, ito naman yung mga frequency. So 3 for 6 to 10, 6 for 11 to 15, 7 for 16 to 20, and so on. So after we have that, so kunyari, nakuha na natin yung frequency by tallying it. So with our previous video, diniscuss na natin yung pagkuha ng frequency at pagtatali. So you need to work on with getting the upper boundaries. So yun yung susunod natin gagawin, the upper boundaries. Sabi kanina sa steps, ang upper boundaries, yan yung magiging x-axis. So we need to get it kasi yan yung ilalagay natin sa x-axis ng ating magiging graph. Paano yan makukuha? So, titignan natin itong upper limit. So, ito ang lower limit at ito ang upper limit. So, dahil upper boundaries yung titignan natin o ang kukunin natin, so dito tayo sa upper limits. At para makuha yon, yung upper limit, 10, ay i-add natin sa 0.5. So, 10 plus 0.5, that will be equal to 10.5. 10, 15 plus 0.5, 15.5. 20 plus 0.5, that will be 20.5. 25 plus 0.5, 25.5. 30 plus 0.5 is 30.5. 35 plus 0.5 is 35.5. And 40 plus 0.5 is 40.5. So, iyan ang ating magiging x-axis. So, another important thing. So, kailangan natin kunin ang less than cumulative frequency. Balikan natin. When we talk of less than cumulative frequency from the lower class, so ang 6 to 10 ang lower class natin, yung frequency, yun yung unang ilalagay natin. Tapos ipa-plus mo to dun sa frequency nung kasunod na class, which is 3 plus 6, 9. Then ito namang 9, i-add sa 7. That will be 16. Ito naman 16, i-add sa 9, that will be 25. Then 25 plus 11, that will be 36. 36 plus 10, 46. And 46 plus 4, that will be 50. So, dapat may exact tayo doon sa n. So, ang total frequency natin ay 50. So, dapat at the end of the less than cumulative frequency, 50 yung magiging sagot. On the other hand, kailangan din natin kunin ang greater than cumulative frequency. So, pwede kayong magsimula dito sa taas or pwede rin namang magsimula dito sa greater than cumulative frequency. Ang greater than natin ay 4. Pero pwede namang dito sa taas, pa-minus yung gawin natin. So, 50 yung n natin. 50 minus 3, 47. 47 minus 6, 41. Then 41 minus 7, 34. Then 34 minus 9, 25, 25 minus 11, 14, minus 10, that will be 4. So, tama siya dito sa pinakang greater than frequency natin. So, again, pwede rin magsimula dito. 4 plus 10, 14, 14 plus 11, 25, 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 7, 41, 41 plus 6, 47, 47 plus 3, that will be 50. So, kailangan natin itong mga to pag magpa-plot na tayo ng points sa ating Ogive. So, let's begin. So, ayan. Unahin natin ang less than cumulative frequency. So, lagay na natin ang ating upper boundaries. So, ayan. Ang upper boundaries natin ay sa x-axis, which is 10.5. Ito yon. Then, 15.5. Then, 20.5, 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, then 40.5. Okay, so yun yung ating magiging x-axis. Y-axis tayo. So sa y-axis naman, yun yung less than cumulative frequency. Hanggang 50 bago tayo matapos sa ating ipa-plot. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, pwede nang by 5. Kasi yung ating line ay 10. So, kaya dito 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, pasok na tayo dun sa ating pinaka mataas na value ng less than cumulative frequency. Then, ipa-plot na natin isa-isa yung ating given. By the way, ito yung magiging x, ito yung magiging y. Kaya yan, 10.5, 3. So, 10.5, 3 dito mapupunta. Okay. Next is 15.5, 9. So, 15.5, dito yung 9 kasi ito yung 10 sa banda doon. Then, 20.5, 16, 20.5. Ang 16, ito yung 15, so banda dito. We have that point. Next is 25.5, 25. Ito yung 25.5, dito yung 25, so doon na natin ilalagay. Then 30.5, 36, ito yung 30.5, 36, dito lampas ng 35. Then 35.5, 46, 35.5, 46, doon tayo lampas ng 45. Then 40.5, 50, ito yon 40.5 hanggang 50. Then the last step is to connect the points. Connect na natin yung mga adjacent points. Yan. So from here, so we connect it. Okay. And that will be the graph of the less than cumulative frequency. Pero kanina, when we work on with the table, sinolve din natin ang greater than cumulative frequency. Like this. So, ito naman yung ating greater than cumulative frequency. So, ito naman yung ating ipa-plot. So, again, itong 10.5, 50, ito yung first point. Siyempre, yun pa rin yung magiging x-axis at saka y-axis. We will just plot it. So, 10.5, 50, ito yung 10.5, ito yung 50, doon siya mapupunta. Then, 15.5, 47, so, pagkalampas ng 45, then 20.5, 41, 20.5, pagkalampas ng 41, then 25.5, 34, so bago mag-35, then 30.5, 25, 30.5, 25, okay, we have that. Then 35.5, 14, so dito yon. Then the last is 40.5, 4. 40.5, 4. Then connecting the point. So we have this. Yan. Okay, so we have this, the greater than cumulative frequency. So ito naman yung greater than cumulative frequency natin. So what happened is, na-drawing ko lang yung ating less than cumulative frequency. Kung mapapansin mo, ang less than cumulative frequency is in increasing form, while the greater than cumulative frequency is in decreasing form. So I hope natuto tayo kamato class. God bless us.